Okay, we're finally here. Let's get out. I think I'm gonna light the fire. There we go. Come on, guys. There. Is that good enough? Yes. Now where's Carnell? I'm getting the stuff. Oh yeah. Ugh, marshmallows. Chairs. Food to roast. Dessert. Because every single camping trip must have dessert. Our slime, just like what? Some sticks. Some water to put out the fire. Last but not least, more food to roast. Get this party started. Let me get the marshmallows. Set up the chairs. Our slime can be back here. And all the food can be over here. Added with our sticks and some water. Let's go near the fire. Me too. Guys, don't forget me. I'm bored. Me already. Yep. I have an idea. Let's roast marshmallows. Sure. Yeah, that would be cool. Let me grab them. Let me grab the marshmallows. Here we go. I'll put my marshmallow on. Yum. Let me roast it. Make it. Here we go. This is fun. Ouch! I'm gonna grab mine. Let me just roast mine here. I'm gonna grab mine. I'm gonna grab a marshmallow. I just moved. I have cotton balls all over my room, guys. These marshmallows aren't staying on! Okay, here we go. Roasting the marshmallows, roasting the marshmallows. This is nice. I have to agree. Here. I'm ready to get mine. Me too. No, my marshmallow's stuck. Just kidding. Yum. Mine too. Marshmallows. Oh. Let's play with the slime. Yeah. Let me put these away. We have marshmallows for the morning. Yep. I'm so glad we built a tub. Yeah. Yeah. Well, let's grab the slime. I'll get it. Here's the slime. Slime! I think you need to chill out. Yeah, you need to chill out. But I love slime! And I love camping, so both things combined. And we're not playing with slime. I'm just kidding. Let's go eat. I'm hungry. Yeah, let me roast stuff. I brought some chicken. I brought some beef for you. Some soup for me. And for you, I got you some fish sticks. Yes. Let me just roast them near the fire. Let's do something else, yeah. 10 minutes later, the food's ready! Yum. Oh. 10 minutes later. Oh, I'm stuffed. Oh, I'm stuffed. Me too. What can we do now? Well, hey, it's pretty dark right now. If I mean dark, it's really dark. Let's just stargaze. I'm tired. Me too. Me three. Let's go to bed. No, the food is gone. Is there a sun yet? Is the sun out yet? Oh. There is. That was close. I can't get out of it. Oh. So that's how tent magic works. Cool. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming out. I promise. Am I both stuck? Oh, never mind. Let's go. Yeah, that's a smart idea. Yeah, let's pack.